Did you know that the average American spends over $1,000 a year on insurance? That's a lot of money. But don't worry, I'm here to show you how to save money on your insurance and keep more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save money on your insurance. Insurance can be expensive, but there are some simple tips and tricks that can help you save money. Tip 1. Shop around. The first tip is to shop around. Don't just go with the first insurance company you find. Take the time to compare different companies and their rates. You may be surprised at how much you can save by shopping around. Tip 2. Bundle your policies. Another way to save money on your insurance is to bundle your policies. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle multiple policies together. So if you have multiple policies, such as car, home, and life insurance, consider bundling them together to get a discount. Tip 3. Increase your deductible. Another way to save money on your insurance is to increase your deductible. A deductible is the amount of money you have to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. By increasing your deductible, you can lower your monthly premiums. Just make sure you have enough money saved up to cover the deductible if you ever need to make a claim. Tip 4. Take advantage of discounts. Finally, take advantage of any discounts your insurance company may offer. Many companies offer discounts for things like having a good driving record, being a good student, or having multiple policies with the same company. So there you have it, 4 tips to help you save money on your insurance. Shopping around, bundling your policies, increasing your deductible, and taking advantage of discounts are all great ways to save money. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.